represents the Jews that died in the Holocaust, and these are their names: Hannah, Renee, Arthur, Egon, Eugen, Ernest, Maria, Leah, Max, Liesel, Kurt, Dora, John, Joachim, Liesel, George, Paul, Bernard, Joseph, Fritz, Mathilde, Arnold, Carol, Withold, Max, Annie, Elise, Egon, Peter, Lydia, Jur, Peter, Julius, Melina, Paul, Carol, Eddie, Helga, Helene, Joaquin, Robert, Benjamin, Walter, Felix, Jacob, Joaquin, Ulrich, Clementine, Adam, Willie, Fernich, Carl, Antel, Bruno, Deborah, Elena, Sabrina, David, Anton, Elise, Joseph, Abraham, Max, Ernest, Elfried, Samuel, Felix, Carl, Charlotte, John, Pavel, Heinz, Rudolph, Gideon, Hans, Mario, Leon, Erwin, Victor, Aline, Leo, Marcel, Leon, Jason, Mark, Jean, Friedrich, Eldolf, Anton, Joshua, Aldolf, Alfred, Giselle, Angina, Eldolf, Sabrina, Martha, Klaus, Casper, Hans, and Martin.